of Dominating English Lessons. If you are joining us for the first time, you can click the pop-up at the top right corner of your screen to view some previous lessons. I hope you enjoy this video. This lesson is all about time. Today's objective is to know how to read the analog clock. With this in mind, there are a few things that we will cover. These include learning about the different hands of the clock and knowing when to say the minutes are past or to the hour. Let's begin with some background information. 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. Now let's move on to the hands of the clock. There are 3 hands on the clock: the second hand, the minute hand, and the hour hand. The second hand is the thinnest hand on the clock. It tells us how many seconds of the minute have passed. The minute hand is longer than the hour hand. It tells us how many minutes of the hour have passed. The hour hand is the shortest on the clock. It tells us which hour of the day it is. When the minute hand is on the right half of the clock, we say past the hour. Each small mark between the numbers on the clock represents 1 minute. When the minute hand is on 12, the time is read as o'clock. For example, 3 o'clock. When the minute hand is on 1, it means that 5 minutes have passed, so we say 5 past. For example, 5 past 3. Another way of saying this is 3:05. When the minute hand is on 2, we read it as 10 past. For example, 10 past 5. This can also be read as 5:10. When the minute hand is on 3, 15 minutes have passed. We usually say quarter past. For example, quarter past 3. This can also be read as 3:15. When the minute hand is on 4, we say 20 past. For example, 20 past 7. You may also say 7:20. When the minute hand is on 5, we say 25 past. For example, 25 past 8. You can also say 8:25. When the minute hand gets to 6, we say half past. For example, half past 5. Another way to say this is 5:30. When the minute hand is on the left half of the clock, we say to the hour. When the minute hand is on 7, we read it as 25 minutes to. For example, 25 minutes to 4. This can also be read as 3:35. When the minute hand is on 8, we say 20 minutes to. For example, 20 minutes to 3. You may also say 2:40. When the minute hand is on 9, we say quarter to. For example, quarter to 12. You can also read this as 11:45. When the minute hand is on 10, we read it as 10 minutes to. For example, 10 minutes to 12. This may also be read as 11:50. When the minute hand is on 11, we say 5 minutes to. For example, 5 minutes to 9. Or you may say 8:55. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to